Hi, good evening dear students. Welcome to online classes on Module 4. So today he will discuss the Module 4, that is CAM. What is CAM? How the CAM is going to classified. Okay. So now we'll go with the definition with, okay, first CAM. A CAM is a mechanical device. A cam is a mechanical device used to transmit the motion to a follower by direct contact. What is that? Cam is a mechanical device used to transmit the motion to a follower by direct contact. Then the second point, the driver is called as the cam and driven member is called as the follower. One is driver, another is driven. Driver is called as the cam, and driven is called as the follower. Then third one, in a cam follower pair, cam normally rotates while the follower may either translate or oscillate. In a cam follower pair, in a cam and follower pair, the cam normally rotates while the follower may either translate or it may oscillate. Then the most familiar example of cam and follower is, that is our in automobile engine, that is the important part is crankshaft of an automobile engine, where the cam drives the push rod, that is follower, to open and close the valve, that is opening and closing of the valve in a synchronization with the motion of the piston. Okay, simple. Just remember the 3 points here. A cam is a mechanical device. It is used to transmit the motion to a follower by direct contact. It is used to transmit the motion by direct contact. Second, the driver is called as a cam and the driven is called as the follower. The driver is called as a cam, driven is called as the follower. And third one, a cam normally rotates. The cam is normally rotates while follower either translate or oscillate. The follower may be translate or oscillate. The best example for cam and follower is crankshaft of an automobile engine. So many parts are also we are going to use the cam and follower. Now this is the introduction about cam. Okay, now we'll go to the types of cam, how the cams are classified. Okay, the types of cam. Cam can be classified based on their physical shape, that is disc or plate cam, cylindrical cam and translating cam. How the types of cam? The cam can be classified based on physical shape, that is disc or plate cam, second is cylindrical cam and third is translating cam. Now these are the types of cam. These are the 3 types of cam. Now we'll go to follower. As already told, cam is normally rotation, whereas follower is either translate or oscillate. Now this is the about type of cam. Now we'll go to the types of follower. The types of follower mainly classified on 4 types. So one of them is, first one is based on the surface in contact. Okay, follower is classified is 4 types. The follower is going to classify 4 different types based on surface in contact, based on type of motion, based on line of motion and based on line of motion. So follower are classified mainly on the 3 bases, that is based on surface in contact, second is based on type of motion and third is based on line of motion. Now first we'll discuss based on surface in contact. So that is knife edge follower, second is ruler edge follower, third is flat face follower and spherical shape follower. So figure A, B, C, D. So this is knife edge follower. See, its end is like a knife. Ruler, its end face is a ruler, and this is a flat face follower, and this is spherical shaped follower. The spherical shaped follower also called as the mushroom shape. Okay, this is also called as the mushroom shape follower. So this is the classification of or types of follower based on surface in contact: knife edge follower, ruler edge follower, flat face follower, spherical follower, or spherical follower is also called as the mushroom edge follower. Okay, now second one, based on the type of motion. So based on the type of motion, one is oscillating follower, another is translating follower. First one is oscillating, it is going to oscillate. Another is it is going to translate. So based on the type of motion, there are two types of follower. One is oscillating follower, another is translating follower. Then third one, that is third is very important, based on line of motion. So based on line of motion, especially I made red color because in examination these two questions are very important, because usually the problem will all ask on offset follower as well as radial follower. So that is the based on the classification of line of motion. Radial follower, the line of movement of inline cam follower passes through the center of the crankshaft. The line of movement of inline cam follower passes through the center of the crankshaft. That is radial follower. Offset follower, for this type of the line of movement of offset from the center of the crankshaft. Okay, that is simple. I will tell. Offset means shifting the center. Here, this is the center. It is shifting. This is offset. This is again it is center, this is shifting, again this is center, this is shifting, these are all the offset. Radial means the line of movement of inline from the follower passes through the center of the crankshaft. Offset means center. In usually question paper they will ask offset by 1 mm to right hand side or offset by left by 1 mm side. So this is very important thing. Okay, just you have to remember. So just I will remind once again. Types of follower. The types of follower are three types, or three types they are going to classify. One is based on the surface in contact, second one is based on type of motion, and third is based on line of motion. Based on surface in contact, knife edge, ruler edge, flat face, spherical shape, or mushroom shape. Second, based on the type of motion, oscillating follower, translating follower. And third one, based on the line of motion, it is radial follower or offset follower. Okay, then this is the classification of cam and follower. Now we'll move to the last bit, that is nomenclature. Okay, nomenclature, that is cam nomenclature. How the parts, or what are the parts then cam and follower consist. So this is the follower as already told, and this is the cam profile. So there, what are the dotted lines or cross line showing, that is the cam, and this is the follower. This is the tracing point. So this circle line is called as the trace point. The circle which is passes through the center is called as the pitch curve, and this is the cam profile, and this is the prime circle. Okay, so I will give the how to calculate prime circle, and I will give the how to calculate base circle. We have the formulas to calculate the prime circle and base circle, and in the next class I am going to give the details about prime circle and the base circle. Okay, and normal or pressure angle, that is you can calculate the phi. So the direction of motion, so direction of motion, in which direction it is rotating, either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Cam, that is follower nomenclature we are going to discussing. So this is follower and this is cam. So this is tracing point, that outer line is called as the pitch curve. This is the cam profile. This is very important, because we have to draw the cam profile. So whatever the cross lines I am shown, they are all cam profile. And this is the prime circle. The center line is the, or radius or diameter is the base circle. And this is another line we drawn, that is called as the normal line, and this angle, or I am going to say a pressure angle. The next, the last bit, types of follower motion. Types of follower motion. The cam follower system are designed to achieve the desired oscillating motions. As already said, follower are used to achieve the motions. Okay, so some of the standard follower motions are as follow, that is uniform velocity, uniform acceleration and retardation, or you can say uniform acceleration or deceleration. Deceleration you can say, or you can say retardation, both are same. Deceleration means decreasing, okay, acceleration means rising. Then third one is the simple harmonic motion. So in examination they may write SHM. Just remember the SHM is simple harmonic motion. And the last one is the cycloidal motion. Okay, so these four are very important for solving the problems. The types of follower motion. The CAM systems are designed to achieve the desired oscillatory motion. Some of the standard motions are uniform velocity, UARM, that is uniform acceleration and deceleration motion, or you can write uniform acceleration and deceleration motion. Okay, uniform acceleration and you can say retardation and deceleration, both are same. Simple harmonic motion SHM, and the last one is the cycloidal motion. In the next class we will solve the problem related to the CAM. Thank you.